Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you are enjoying summer season. In this video, we are going to tell you how to make ice creams and ice cream cones in MS Paint. Watch and try to draw. Use lines to draw letter V and draw circle. A simple and easy ice cream cone is ready to make. Try next now. A cone is full of ice cream, sweet and tasty. Now here is one triangular shaped ice cream using triangle and a rounded rectangle. One more cool and refreshing. And drawing. Stay in touch. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos.